Now, I know that giving every dollar a job can feel a bit overwhelming. I remember before I had a budget, I was able to make big spending decisions on the fly. But if you asked me how much I was gonna spend on groceries this month, I'd get all clammy. If this happens to you, just remind yourself that you will make money and you will spend money, whether you have a budget or not. The difference is that life with a budget allows you to understand what that money will be spent on before it's spent. This allows us to question every spending decision before it even happens to make sure our dollars really are in line with our priorities. When you give every dollar a job, challenge every assumption about your spending decisions. Our spending tends to be based on habits. So if you want to be more intentional, you need to ask yourself, do I have to spend all of the money that I'm spending right now? Do I want to spend all the money that I'm spending right now? And doing this will help you uncover your true priorities. If paying off debt feels like your biggest priority, then a budget allows us to see that yes, we do have to eat lunch, but maybe it doesn't have to be sushi. Small changes like this can really open up a lot of wiggle room in your budgets. This really isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. Rule 1 gives you the power to decide the most important job for every one of your dollars.